Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Srishti and in today's video I'm going to show you how to make this halter neck bandeau. First things first, start by measuring your bust round and length. While measuring the length, make sure that you are measuring over the bust. Now cut two pieces of rectangles on the fabric. Width will be bust round and height will be length plus 2 centimeters. Then place both pieces right on right and pin the top and bottom and stitch it with a straight stitch. Also finish the raw edges with a zigzag stitch or overlock stitch. Next, turn it inside out and overlock the sides. And make a tunnel of about an inch and pin it on both sides. And then stitch it with a straight stitch. Now cut a long strip 1.2 inches wide, fold it in half and stitch it. Don't forget to overlock the raw edges. Then use a chopstick or knitting needle to turn it inside out. And then use a safety pin to pass the string through the tunnel. Creating a U at the bottom. And that's it. Halter neck bandeau is ready. And that's about it for today's video. I will see you in my next one. Bye.
I don't think about the memories. I've been too focused on my energy, serenity.